Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You've opened the workbook, and you're ready to change direction. First, make a quick copy to avoid accidental loss. Select the sheet or group of sheets you want to change. Click one tab or Control plus click to multi-select. Once done, check File Print or Printer settings to confirm the paper size, because orientation choices depend on that size and the active printer. Make sure the sheet selection and paper size match before changing orientation. Now change the actual direction. Go to the Page Layout tab and choose Orientation, Portrait or Landscape, so the whole sheet flips to the axis you need. Next, open Page Setup to adjust margins, header/footer positions, and scaling. Scaling to fit sheet on one page or setting a custom % avoids awkward page breaks. Also set a print area or enter page break preview to move breaks manually, because orientation alone won't fix clipped columns or extra pages. Finish by previewing. File Print gives a full preview. Scan every page to confirm headers, margins, and column flow. When satisfied, print or export to PDF to lock the layout for sharing. PDFs preserve orientation across devices and printers. If the orientation didn't apply, check if sheets are grouped. Ungroup them and reapply. Also inspect page setup per sheet because settings can be sheet-specific. If columns still overflow, adjust column width or scaling by % to resolve the last issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.